vlogging thing. We're filming on the Nikon Z30. Currently have our condo up for sale. It's your birthday.
It is. We're gonna catch catfish.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try this whole vlogging thing slash setup. I got a new setup that I want to talk about, and the one I am using right now, it's pretty wide as you can tell, and I actually just came across this lens on Amazon a couple days ago. Fairly cheap. We're filming on the Nikon Z30 Viltrox 9mm f2.8, pretty wide, but I'm using the Comica VM40 as my mic. The one thing I actually love about the Nikon Z30 is I have a nice tally light right here, and I wish this was on my Nikon Z8, because like it just gives me a nice indication that we're still rolling, we're still filming, and I love that. And especially the flip out screen, so I can see myself right here. The cool thing about the Z30 is you can use like cheap memory cards to record, and the quality is still great. We're at ISO 4000 right now, and this probably looks super clean, to be honest. Now the mission is to find cheap gas, but it's 5:45, so it might be hard.
Hey. Hello?
I'm gonna get you. So it's like 9:10 p.m. Me and Jessica just got back from taking a look at a house because we currently have our condo up for sale. I mean, if you're getting a mortgage, you might understand, but it's just crazy because we're trying to sell our condo and we need money to buy the house, and closing this and then opening that. It's a fucking headache. Oh, and by the way, I got a two-way fireplace, so we're gonna get cozy. Where's your sister? Can we go find your sister? I just finished getting changed. Today is Thursday. Pretty big day because we are pretty much gonna say yes or no to the offer that we got on our condo. And also might go fishing later with Richard. It's his birthday. I'm gonna go to work, show you my little office, my little studio. So this is Atlas. We rescued him. And now he's spoiled. All right, so welcome to my little office studio type of thing. It's gonna get dark, and yeah, so this is my office studio. I just brought my monitor home just so I can start editing at home a little bit more, and because like wedding season's kind of done, but I also do my YouTube stuff up here. I've got the TV, which I don't really like editing on. It's just very laggy. But this is the mess that we got going on right now. I'm just trying to put like a big 2025 wedding reel together. Yeah, we got like Yorkville subs for audio. Editing, you really need some good audio, and these are awesome to work with. So it is currently 5:20, and it's Richard's birthday today. So we're gonna celebrate by going fishing, maybe having a couple drinks, and surprise Richard with, I think he likes coffee cake or something, not 100% sure. So we've had good luck fishing here. I actually caught a huge, large mouth bass right over here.
Oh yeah?
It's your birthday.
It is.
And what do you got there? Oh yeah, I totally forgot about that.
Your fucking camera.
All right, don't criticize me on my vlog techniques or whatever it is. It's my first time, actually. I'm just practicing on the 9mm Viltrox on the Nikon Z30. Richard, what do you think of this lens? It's new, it's like super wide.
Oh shit.
Looks pretty sick, eh?
You actually see a lot too.
Yeah.
It covers a lot.
Let's see.
This is good for group photos.
Yeah, group photos and fishing.
And yeah, perfect for fishing.
So like I can like spread my arms out and you still get it, and I'm probably like 2 feet away.
Caught a jumbo perch.
A jumbo perch?
A jumbo perch.
What are we gonna catch today?
We're gonna catch a catfish.
Oh, really?
Yeah, catfish.
No.
Never caught a catfish. You're gonna catch a catfish.
We're gonna do a competition to see who's the first one to catch something.
Oh shit.
All right, let's
Oh,
go.
Shit.
All right, it looks like Richard just won for the biggest fish competition. He's the first one to catch a fish. Actually, you caught a goby.
I got a goby too.
Yeah, but you caught a little bass hook. He's holding it like it's a 10-pounder.
I want to see, eh?
What happened, Rich?
I said I'm not catching anything on the jig, so now I gotta use worms. The VMC purple head with a white fluke.
Ah, that's why.
Yeah, it's too fucking dark and I can't see shit.
Are you going to daycare?
I'm gonna take care.
Yeah, do you like daycare? Look, you want to see yourself. Look. Look cool?
I'm gonna take
Can you tell us what your name is?
Sierra.
Sierra. And what's mommy's name?
Chewy.
Julia. Do you like the camera? It looks like she likes the camera now. What are we watching over here? Dragon Train. Yeah? What is it? What's it called?
Dino tree.
What?
Dino tree.
Dino tree?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Dino tree.
Dino tree?
Dino tree.
Yeah. That's a microphone.
Um,
Do you like it? Take it off. Pull. You see? No, put it back on. Put it back on. No.